Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mixed greens using an easy method. First, choose a vibrant mix of fresh greens. Next, wash them well under cool water to remove any soil or debris. Finally, dry your greens completely. This is crucial for a good dressing adherence and a crisp texture. A salad spinner works wonders for this step, ensuring your greens are perfectly ready. Now, let's create a simple yet delicious vinaigrette. Start by combining 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil with 1 tablespoon of your favorite vinegar, like apple cider or red wine. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, plus a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Whisk everything together until it's well combined and slightly thickened, forming a lovely emulsion. With your greens clean and your dressing ready, it's time to assemble. Transfer your perfectly dried mixed greens into a large bowl. Now, here's a key tip. Add the dressing gradually. Drizzle about 2/3 of your dressing over the greens. Gently toss them using salad tongs or your clean hands, ensuring every leaf gets a light coating without becoming soggy. Add more dressing if needed. To elevate your mixed greens, consider adding some delicious toppings. Cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced cucumbers, or crunchy croutons are always great choices. For a more substantial meal, incorporate protein like grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or roasted chickpeas. These additions transform a simple side into a satisfying dish. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your fresh, easy mixed greens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.